and welcome back to Games for Breakfast. I have a short video for you this week. It is another drink we did about 2 weeks ago. This one is an alcoholic drink. Of course you can make it non-alcoholic for you younger people, or if you want to make something for your kids. This one is called Daddy-O. For people who know their drinks, it is in the non-Fallout world known as a Tequila Sunrise. This doesn't call for a whole lot. You just need ice, quarter cup tequila, quarter cup grapefruit juice, a quarter cup of orange juice, and 1 tablespoon of grenadine. Tequila, orange juice, grapefruit juice, gotta stir them up, and this last part is a bit fancier. The grenadine, you slowly pour it in and let it settle to the bottom. Grenadine. And then it looks kind of like a sunrise. Hence the name. I mean, it's a Daddy-O, it's not a Tequila Sunrise. This non-alcoholic, just do everything I just did, minus the tequila. And for those of you wondering, this fancy little cup is, all it has is tablespoon and teaspoon measurements on it. It's also got milliliters, and ounces. And by using that cup, I learned that a quarter cup is 10 teaspoons. Fun fact. Let's try the drink. Tequila smells strong. It's a lot of tequila. Don't drink too many of these. I'm gonna add more orange juice to it. But other than that, it's pretty good. This has been Games for Breakfast, making Daddy-O, a beverage from the Fallout universe. I hope you enjoyed. Check out links in the description for merch, fun things, Into the AM, because I'm an affiliate with them. And of course there will be Amazon links. If I can find one for this glass, I will definitely post a link to where you can buy one. And also my super cool apron that I wore in the first episode. I don't wear it anymore because I lost it. Also a link to the cookbook. And also, next time I record one of these, I'm liking using my phone as my camera instead of bringing my laptop and my webcam all the way upstairs and setting it up. I feel like this is easier for editing and a little bit better quality. Leave me a comment if I'm wrong, or if I'm right. Leave me your comments, your opinions, if you like this, or if you want me to go back to how I was doing it originally. Right, I got a tripod, a phone tripod, so that will be helpful, having it be less shaky. Don't forget, like, subscribe, share, check out my other videos. I will see you next time.